this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we have a one mobile phone. It's iPhone. I don't know the exact serial number. It's maybe X, maybe 11. I don't know. But in this video we are gonna learn how we can know our battery charging socket is working or not. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I would like to plug into its charging cable for our iOS device. As you can see, I plug in here. But as you can see, if you follow that bottom area, if you look, but of course, for doing that, first of all, you have to take off your screen and your battery, and as you can see, there are some stuff in here. You should be able to remove that before reaching that area. But after that, it's so easy actually. But after that, as you can see, there is a one socket in here. We are going to remove that socket from connector like that. And if you follow that route, as you can see, it's coming up from our charging board actually. As you can see, there are some pins in here. We are gonna look our multimeter device in here. Let's look it. We should able to see 5 voltage in here, and as you can see, we have two probes. Red means plus and black means minus. I mean, we are gonna press red in any area like that, and of course we want to see 5 volts in here. And yes, as you can see, we are gonna see 5.52 voltage coming. That means our charging IC port is working. It is clean and healthy, the charging point. And yes, in this video we learned how we can look charging IC port working or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.